All right, today we have a foldable tablet stand. So a multi-angle adjustment, lightweight and portable metallic material and strong support. Now, I believe there's nothing really on the edges. Special thanks to the company for sending me their tablet stand. This is the TS02 model. It's made out of aluminum alloy and silicone. Let's open it up and look at it. Hey, they include an Allen wrench for you. Little instruction guide here. All right. Oh, so that's so you can tighten and loosen it. Okay. Three-way adjustable. All right. And so for the box. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Wow. So this could come in handy if it has a good weight to it. I don't feel like it's going to turn over. This is the silicone part here. So this is all soft, not going to scratch your tablet or anything. And there's also even silicone here. Oh, that's so that doesn't scratch it. Okay. Let me grab a tablet. Hold on. So for example, it'll hold my iPad like that. I can hold the iPad this way, I can hold the iPad this way. Really good for, especially if you had some kind of a counter, maybe at a business and you needed something to hold an iPad, it'd be good for that, for displaying it, and then they can. This is the tablet stand. Special thanks to them. I do love the design, and you can use that Allen wrench to tighten these to where it basically stays that way permanently. That's what it would look like, and I think it would do a great job. 2 thumbs up to them. So I'll do it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.